If you were looking for a quick start guide on how to get started with 3D printing, then stay tuned, you won't want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The Printer Guy here. And in this video, what you will see is a demonstration of how to start 3D printing step by step, including the materials you will need, going through the process to the point where you will see a completed 3D print job. Now, this will not be a complex, long video. This is going to be more general. Specifically, the printer you will see demonstrating this 3D printing job is a Bambu Lab 3D printer, which you can find linked down in the description below, which will take you to bestprinterstech.com, where you can purchase this printer and any other supplies that are mentioned in this video. Now, a young man in my neighborhood helped me with the demonstration portion of this video, so that's what you will see during the demonstration part of this video. I really just wanted to say thank you to him and his parents for making this video possible. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, on this channel, I talk about everything printer related. And so really wanted to cover the 3D printing topic, really provide a video that is helpful to you if you're just getting started and you want it to be led in the right direction. This video will be as detailed as possible so that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision on what you should do if you're wanting to get started with 3D printing. So you can find the printer that we used in this video, the Bambu P1S, on bestprinterstech.com. You can check out the specs. You can also browse other 3D printers as well. So along with the 3D printer, you will also need an AMS, which is an automatic materials system. This is an attachment that would need to be purchased separately, sometimes sold as a bundle with the 3D printer. These color spools are PLA material. Now, in this video, we will only cover PLA material. You can use other materials when it comes to 3D printing, but that is beyond the scope of this video. Now, what you see the AMS doing is it is calibrating that filament. It is picked up that it has been installed, and so what it is doing at this point, it is preparing that filament to be able to start printing. Now, currently the bundle where you would get the 3D printer and the AMS on bestprinterstech.com is out of stock, but by the time you're watching this video, it is likely that it will be in stock and available for purchase. Now, there are a lot of different applications that can be used for 3D printing designs. The one that you'll see used here in this video is the Bambu Lab app. Now, there are free slicer softwares that you can use to turn models into printable files, and those will be here on the screen. Now, the keyword you see being inputted into the search bar is hammerhead shark, and there are a lot of different models here on the Bambu app that you can see that are different colors, different sizing, and so this is where the customization comes in, and you'll be able to explore the different types of models, the different designs that you can go with, and the different colors. Now, you do want to keep in mind you want to use the correct color filament. So you'll notice here that the filament that is being selected on the application is actually loaded up in the AMS. Along with 3D printers, you can also find different colored filaments on bestprinterstech.com. All right, so the final step before you hit start print is you're selecting the PLA. You also see there bed leveling is selected in the one of the options that is available, and then you are clicking on start print. Now, if you're using a different setup, this will obviously vary, but generally this is how you are going to go through the process through the application system, selecting the design. Now, of course, there is the customization aspect of using a splicer for models, and you can turn into printable files, but in this video, we're simply looking at a very basic version of using the Bambu Lab app to find the design and selecting that. That's going to be the easiest way to start out, is to use designs that already exist out there. If you're doing your own custom designs, that's kind of beyond the scope of this video, really sticking to designs that are already out there, that already have everything set up for you to just simply pick out the PLA filament and begin the process of printing. As you can see, the 3D printer has received the print job, and you can see printing single color, and that's the file name. Now, when you hit print on a 3D printing job, you're not simply going to get a 3D printed item within a few minutes. What's going to happen after that point is the printer will begin to calibrate and level before it actually starts printing the job. So that's what you see here on screen, is that leveling and calibration process. Now, if the calibration or leveling is off, this is where you would see that, and you would want to fix whatever issue may exist, and every 3D printer is going to be different. So depending on the 3D printer that you go with, there is a process for maintenance and some items that you will want to keep in mind when it comes to maintaining a 3D printer. Beyond the scope of this video, but worth mentioning. Once the leveling and calibration are complete, the printer will then move into actually printing the design. All right, so well done by our friend on a successful 3D print job. This is not his first 3D print job that he's done. He's done many of them, and he had offered to do some designs for people in our community, so I decided to reach out, and I'm very glad I did. Now, if you notice here, when he's taking out the hammerhead shark, he's kind of popping it out of place. And so you may have to do some version of that when you are printing your design. And this is where you'll want to inspect it. Make sure that the coloring is right. Make sure that everything looks the way it's supposed to. And if something's off, then it's just a process of trial and error until you get it exactly how you want to. And of course, it'll take some time if you're just starting out to get to this point where you're actually able to do a successful 3D print job. Surely some will be failed attempts, but there are different adjustments that you can make to successfully print a 3D design. Now, this video is meant to be general guidance. I am not an expert in 3D printing. In fact, I have not 3D printed. I'm simply commenting on the 3D printing process as I understand it, as I've been given the information. In this video, we've discussed all the materials that you would need to start 3D printing, including a 3D printer, of course, filament, the type of filament that was used here in this video. Of course, you can select whatever filament you believe you would want to use for your designs that you're planning. We went through some of the process talking about the applications that you would need to actually access some designs and maybe even design some of your own. We did not go into major detail about maintenance and upkeep, but that is an aspect that you will want to keep in mind. Of course, there's many other videos on YouTube that you can watch to kind of get some general information about that. I hope that this video was valuable. I hope that the format was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. If the video was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, please take a look at the description box for any of the products I ended up mentioning in this video. If you're looking to buy a new printer, consider visiting bestprinterstech.com and taking the Printer Finder quiz that will help you find the right printer for you. Now, I have handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen right now for you to watch next. So hoping to see you there. If not, until next time.